Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you how to make a simple Bluetooth speaker. Friend, to make this speaker, I am using this amplifier kit. I am using this Bluetooth module. To operate this, I am using 12-volt battery that I made in previous video. Here you can see this. I am using DC to DC step down converter. To fix all these parts, I am using this wooden box. Here you can see this. And I am using this speaker, 4-watt speaker. Now let's start to make it. Friends, speaker connection has been done. Now let's fix the battery wire. There is battery connection. Friend, this module operate on 12 volt and this Bluetooth module operate on 5 volt. And there is 12 volt battery. I connect a battery wire directly to this amplifier kit. Friend, to operate this module, I am using DC to DC step down converter. Here you can see this connection. There is input voltage connection and there is output voltage connection. Friend, input connection has been done. Here you can see this. There is input connection and there is output connection. Now let's check the voltage of output connection. Here you can see this almost 4 volt, and this Bluetooth module also operate on 4 volt. There is negative wire and there is positive wire. Friend, all connection has been done. Here you can see this. There is 12 volt battery. There is amplifier module. Just remaining these two wire for another second speaker. Now let's fix all this part in wooden box. So friends, I fix all these parts with the help of hot glue gun. Here you can see this. Front speaker has been ready to use. For testing I am using NCS sound. So friend, that's the project of my this Bluetooth speaker. I hope you will enjoy my this video. If you enjoy my this project and learn something useful from me, then subscribe, like and share. Have a great day.